Okay, now we're going to talk about the upper control arm mounting on the stage 3 and 5. You'll notice this is the identical upper control arm. All we've done is rotated this shaft within those urethane bushings 90 degrees. And what that's going to do is allow us to use shims for adjustment rather than the slot. Now, you can see what's going to happen here. This side, we're going to put the bolt in. We have 3 washers as a spacer to begin your alignment. It's not going to be your final alignment, but it's a starting point. We've designed this so you never run out of shims. And then you simply put in your upper control arm, like so. Drop on a couple of your nylock nuts to the end of the bolt, and you can snug that all up. And that gives you a good starting point on your alignment. The alignment specs are slightly different for manual versus a power rack, and you'll find that listed on the very last line of your instruction sheet. Now, some of the pictures in the instruction sheets may show the bolt going the other way. We've changed it to go this way because it's really easier for the alignment guy to work in to get to his bolt on this side. Again, about the anti-seize. You should use this on any bolt, but particularly on stainless steel bolts. We provide you a package of this when you're putting it together. You always know you have enough when you got it all over yourself. It's hard to clean off, but it's very critical, particularly with stainless. And that concludes our Mustang 2 control arm mounting.